blood cells to the area to help speed the healing. It also helps reduce inflammation and helps with the pain, reduce the pain. We use it for, like, after they have surgery, we'll treat the incision site. We use it for pets with arthritis, ear infections.
You get big tumors on them. They reduced them by doing this to them. It's all good. Stop. Stop. She's not hurting you.
It's warm sometimes, so inside the ear it can feel warm and kind of itchy.
No. Big yawn. You didn't sleep last night? You didn't have your favorite couch to lay on?
Mm-hmm.
And hog everything up with the couch. Your feet all sprawled out. No one else can get on it.
There's the itchy part.
That's a good boy. Look at the boy, Harley.
Good.
Okay, we're going to switch over to the other side now.